Sugod na ta.
Problem 2.17. Determine I/O in the circuit of figure 2.81. Here we have two voltage supplies. We have 36 volts and we have 5 I/O independent voltage supply. Let us assume that the direction of your 36 volts voltage supply is from negative to positive. Then, let us assume that the direction of your 5 I/O independent voltage supply is from negative to positive. Next, we have a current at your 4 ohms resistor equal to I/O, hence it is in series. Now, let's create a loop. So, this would be your loop 1. So, at loop 1, we have the summation of the voltage drop is equal to the summation of voltage supplies. Then, we have a voltage drop at your 4 ohms. So, that would be V4 ohms. Your V4 ohms is positive, hence it has the same direction with your loop, is equal to the summation of voltage supply. Your 36 volts is positive, hence it has the same direction with your loop, so therefore it will be positive 36. And your 5 I/O independent voltage supply opposes the direction of your loop, so therefore it will be a negative 5 I/O. So from your Ohm's law, so you have your V is equal to IR, so you have I4 ohms times R4 ohms is equal to 36 minus 5 I/O. Thus, your I4 ohms is equivalent to I/O since they are in series. So therefore, we have I/O times R4 ohms is equal to 36 minus 5 I/O. Substitute the value of your resistance, so we have 4 I/O is equal to 36 minus 5 I/O. So combining like terms, we have 4 I/O plus 5 I/O is equal to 36. Then we have 4 I/O plus 5 I/O, so we have 9 I/O is equal to 36. So your I/O is equal to 36 divided by 9, so you have 4 amperes.